Okay, letter A asks us to explain why selecting a 5 from the first bag and the sum of the numbers is greater than 5 are dependent events. So first of all, we've got two bags. They've got 1 through 5 in each of the bags, and we're selecting one from each. I'm going to draw the sketch similar to what they've done in the example problems for lesson 68 to help us visualize this, okay? So here's my little table of values, and the first, these are all the possible combinations we could have, okay? So we could choose a 1 and a 1, 1 and a 2. This is the value from the number from the first bag. This is the number from the second bag, okay? So just so you see where I'm going with this, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. Okay, so then for the second or the other some more scenarios, we could have a 2 and then a 1, 2 and then a 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, and 2, 5. Now you should be writing this chart with me if you're watching this video. You need to participate. Okay, so 3, 3, 3, 4, and then we could have a 3 and a 5. We could pick a 4 and a 1, 4, 2, 4 and a 3, 4 and a 4, and a 4 and a 5. As you're seeing, as we're writing this kind of mindless task here, you could see that there's quite a few actually that are going to be, whose sum is going to be greater than 5. Are you noticing that? But here's the deal. Explain why selecting a 5 from the first bag and the sum of the numbers is greater than 5 are dependent events. Look, if you're going to pick a 5 from the first bag, that is talking about these scenarios right here, okay? This one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, okay? These are the only ones that are 5 out of the first bag. So if you pick one of those, are they dependent events? Well, yes, because automatically what you're going to have is a sum that's greater than 5. Because if you have 5 for this one, all of these in this last row here, or this last column here, are going to be greater. The sum of the numbers is going to be greater than 5. Okay, so let's just articulate that here like this. Because if you select a 5 from bag 1, you will definitely have a sum that is greater than 5. All right, that's pretty straightforward, I hope. Okay, so find the probability of both events. Well, remember when it's and, that implies multiplication. So first of all, what is the probability of selecting a 5 from the first bag? Well, do you see that there are 25 choices total, right? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 in each column, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 5 rows, 5 columns. Either way. Okay, so you see that's 25, right? And then there's out of those, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 out of 25, right? Okay. Now, what is the probability, though, of getting a number greater than 5 if we're restricted to this? Okay. If we're restricted to this, we've already said we'll definitely have a sum greater than 5. So the sum of the numbers greater than 5. And we've already been restricted to only this column. So that probability is 1. So that is why we can say with confidence that the probability is 1/5.